Hello student, today we are going to learn chapter number 7 measurement. First we learn how to measure length. In olden days the length are measured by using hand span. Hand span means distance between small finger and thumb like this. Then second is strip. The length is measured by using strip. Okay, for measurement of small distances we use strip fold into equal parts like this. Now for measurement of large distance like gates we use string to measure the length of gate. Length means length tell us how the object is long. Now we measure the some objects by using this olden measuring units. Okay, first we measure the sheet by using hand span. Hand span means the length between small finger and thumb. Okay, let's measure 1, 2. If I measure the distance between this sheet by hand span, this is a 2 hand span. If you measure the distance between this or length of this sheet, it is a 3 or 4 hand span. Now, if we measure the length of this sheet by using strip, let's measure 1, 2. 2 strips. The length of this sheet is 2 strips. Okay. If you measure the length of this sheet by using strip, this is also 1, 2 centimeter, because the length of this is same, but 2 strip. In hand span, the length between my hand span and your hand span is different, but in strip the length of strip is same. Therefore, if I measure the length of strip and if you measure the length of strip, it is a same. Okay. Now we measure the length of chalk. See, this is a chalk. This is small chalk. For measurement of this chalk, we can fold these strips into 8 equal parts like this, and then measure the length of this chalk. Let's measure. How many folds? 1, 2, 3. See, we put one end of this chalk at this point and other end. Observe how many folds? 1, 2, 3. 3 folds of strip. If we measure the length of chalk by using this strips fold, the length is same. Okay. Now we have to measure the large distance between gates. Then how measure? We do not use these strips to measure the distance between gate and do not use hand span. Therefore, we use string. By using string, I measure the length of gate. Length of gate. This is a 2 string. If you measure, it is also same, because the length of this object not change, but these objects are not standard, or these measuring devices are not standard. For accurate measurement, we use standard units. For measurement of length, the standard unit is meter, and small measurement of length we use centimeter. Meter is denoted by m and centimeter is denoted by centimeter. Remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. meters. Now for measurement of the length we use standard devices like ruler and meter tape. These are standard devices to measure the length. Now see this ruler. On this ruler we have, see this mark. Here write cm. Cm means centimeter. This is a measuring unit of length for measurement of small length. Now we measure the following length using meter and centimeter. We are given objects and we have to measure the length of this object by using ruler. Okay, the first is pencil. To measure the length of pencil, we first here put this put the one end of this pencil on 0 mark. Now observe the reading at other end. Right, 16. The length of pencil is 16 centimeter. Now we measure the length of notebook. This is a notebook and we have to measure the length of this notebook. We put one end of this notebook on 0 and observe the second reading, 24 centimeter. The length of this notebook is 24 centimeter. Now we have to measure the length of book. Take a book and put one end at 0 mark and observe the other end, 26. The length of this book is 26 centimeter. Now measure the length of mobile phone. Okay. Take this phone and put one end at 0 mark and observe reading on other end, 13 centimeter. Now we have to measure the length of sketch pen. Now this is a sketch pen. Put one end at 0 mark and observe the other end, 13. Again 13 centimeter. These are small objects, therefore we can use this ruler for measurement of this object. For measurement of long object like cloth, electric wire, rope, we use meter. Okay, thank you.